Hello my dear VLSI aspirants, welcome to Deep Silicon VLSI YouTube channel. Let's have a very good question on dependency. Yes, here coming to the input, there are 4 variables for this given design challenge in terms of the midterms. The output, is it dependent on all the variables or dependent on only one variable, 2 variables or 3 variables? That we want to find out. That's what the question in the lucified language. That's it. Okay, let's see. Consider the following Boolean function of 4 variables f of w, x, y, z is equal to sigma of 1, 3, 4, 6, 9, 11, 12, 14. The function is independent of 1 variable, 2 variable, 3 variables, all the 3 variables. Now, guys, sometimes they may give you the logic diagram, the design. From the gates and all you need to get the expression. From that expression we can tell. But here in this model they have given the midterms. So what we have to do is you get this expression, you simplify this. When you simplify, you will get the output expression. As per that we can tell. That's it. Okay. Now as there are 4 variables, we need 4 variable K-map. Hope you know how you get the 4 variable K-map. It is like this. Like this is Wx, Yz, W bar x bar, W bar x, Wx, Wx bar. Similarly, Y bar Z bar, Y bar Z, Yz, Yz bar. Okay. Now guys, here as per the numbers, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This one, guys, we mapped into the K-map, graphical representation. Now, if you want to simplify, there is a quad here. Similarly, there is a quad here. For this, the expression is Wx bar, W bar, X bar. You will get X bar. And from here, Z. Similarly, for this quad, X and Z bar. Hence, guys, the final expression f is equals to xz bar plus x bar z. This one. Now, from this we can tell, as per the the midterms expression, the simplified output expression depends upon variable x, variable z, and their complements as well. It depends on x and z variables, and it is independent on the remaining 2 variables. What are they? W, y. So the simplified output expression does not contain any w or y variables. Hence we can say it is dependent on 2 variables and it is independent on 2 variables. As per the options, the right answer is option B, independent of 2 variables. Right, guys? The dependency is also important so that we can come to the conclusion the output is exclusively dependent on those variables, etc. Right? I hope you like the video. If you are first time visiting our YouTube channel, Deep Silicon VLSI, please guys, subscribe our channel and share in your VLSI interested students circle so that they'll get benefit, right? And comment your opinion. We are listening all the time. See you in the next video. This is Shivaram signing off. Jai Hind.